Welcome to Auto Price, a channel that will discuss automotive. And today we will give you information about the legendary Chevrolet C10. The legendary Chevrolet C10 is back with its 2025 model, combining the nostalgic appeal of classic design with modern performance and technology. If you are a fan of vintage trucks or just looking for a reliable vehicle, this truck has everything to offer. Here is a detailed review of what makes the 2025 Chevrolet C10 stand out. The 2025 Chevrolet C10's design appeals to classic truck enthusiasts while delivering sleek, contemporary updates. The bold, wide grille pays homage to the C10 models of the 60s, but is modernized with aggressive lines and a large chrome Chevrolet emblem. This nod to heritage, paired with advanced LED matrix headlamps, delivers style and functionality, ensuring superior visibility in any weather condition. The truck's toughness is enhanced by 22-inch aluminum alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, enhancing its presence on the road and its off-road capabilities. Inside the 2025 C10, you'll find the perfect balance between luxury and utility. Chevrolet has outfitted the cabin with high-quality leather upholstery, which ensures comfort and durability. Heated and ventilated seats ensure you're ready for any weather, while the spacious interior offers ample legroom for all passengers. At the center of the technologically advanced cabin is a 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system that seamlessly integrates Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 360-degree camera for better maneuverability. The 2025 C10 doesn't just look good, it's also a beast on the road. Chevrolet offers two engine options for this model. The first is a powerful 6.2-liter V8 that produces an impressive 420 horsepower, making it ideal for heavy towing and off-road adventures. With a 10-speed automatic transmission, the C10 delivers smooth shifting and precise handling, whether you're cruising down the highway or over rough terrain. This truck is capable of towing up to 13,000 pounds, making it a serious contender for those who need heavy-duty capability. The 2025 Chevrolet C10 successfully bridges the gap between vintage charm and modern innovation. With its iconic design, luxurious interior, and powerful performance, this truck is built for nostalgia and functionality. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or just enjoying a weekend ride, the C10 is ready for anything. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.